So let's start with a cat's typical day. They beg for food all the time. And then they go to sleep for quite part of the day. And they enjoy it. And of course they have to groom themselves and always stretch in their weird flexible ways and evolve. And they don't really get the sense of what a mirror is. Not too sure what they're thinking. And those other parts of the days where they're surfing the internet on your laptop. It's kind of odd. I mean, how do they even know the password to log in? Oh, look at what she's looking at. Is that Grumpy Cat? What? What the heck? What are you looking at? It really is Grumpy Cat. And then they have to get their dirty paws on your counter. What's up with that? And they know you hate it. And then they go back to sleeping, curled up like no other human could. And of course when they stretch like that, they obviously want something from you, like to go outside. Oh, cats and their obsessions with being outside. Can't tame the wild out of them. And then when they're outside, they want to come right back in. They can never decide. Then I have to deal with taking them right back out because they just want whatever they want. And then when they bring you those nice gifts, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, get away from me, stay back, stay back. And then they go back to sleep. Like any typical cat would. Sleeping more than half the day. And then of course, they're affectionate little creatures who also love to sunbathe. It keeps their fur glossy, shiny, and soft half the time. And it gives them that smell of sun, which is a great smell. They can never decide on how to sit. And then they like to eat plants. Just for the sake of eating plants and then throwing up on your carpet. And then they have those weird crazy moments. And then they go right back to sleep. They sleep on your homework so you can't do it. And sometimes they get a bit fidgety and fight with each other. Show their dominance. And then they act innocent. And sometimes when you're watching them, they feel like it's a game. And they act like you can't see them. But really, they're so obvious. Let's go closer. Okay, let's try just going a little bit closer. Oh my god! And then there's feeding time again. And sometimes they get a little jealous of each other. It's just a typical cat thing. They like to annoy each other. Watches the other cat doesn't even care. And then, of course, they're back to sleep. They always have to sleep in some weird way. And they know how to get on your nerves. They know exactly what'll make you tick. And they do it just for the fun of it. But then they get all adorable and cuddle. And they're so sweet. And when they rub walls, they're always just showing their territory, but it's so adorable. and they always want to play. But they're only play to a certain extent. Like, if they can't reach it, they might not really care too much. And like I said, they always think you can't see them. And as regal as they can be, they're little clumsy falls. And they honestly love to play. It's their nature to sneak up and attack things. And they always want to groom their claws and then go back to grooming themselves. So majestic. And we all know how bath time works. It never ends well. What does the fox say? Yes, these are foxes. Oh, this is the little lady that inspired it all. Say hi. Thanks for watching. It was really fun making this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Just subscribe, comment, stuff like that. Thank you.